Hi friends, today we are going to draw and color a little mermaid. It's going to be so much fun. I love mermaids. First I am going to draw her face and head. Now I am going to draw her hands and arms. I love mermaids, they are so magical. Now I am going to draw her beautiful hair. I love drawing hair. It's super easy and fun. Let's make a cute starfish. Wow, she's already looking so good. Now let's make her body. I am going to draw her tail next. She has such a beautiful and long tail. Mermaids are so magical. I love them. Do you like mermaids? Let's make a big tail. Wow, it is looking so good. I am loving it. Do you like it? Now let's make her eyes. I am going to draw a very big eyes. She is looking so cute. Wow, look at her. I love her. Now let's color our mermaid. She is going to be so sparkly and magical. Yellow. Let's color her face. Pink. Wow, she is looking so sparkly. Sky blue. Red. Let's make her tail colorful. Purple. Silver. Silver is my favorite color. Light purple. Green. Light blue. Dark blue. Wow, and ta-da! Oh, let's make her starfish real quick. It's almost done. Wow, I love her. She is looking so sparkly and magical. See you next time. Bye bye.